Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, Shoaib and Dayo is here with a new lecture of the electrical machine subject, and today's lecture is parallel operation of a single phase transformer. So what is a parallel operation? The parallel operation can be described as two transformers when they are connected in parallel. Two or more than two transformers are said to be connected in parallel. So this will be called as the parallel operation of the transformer. Means the two transformers are said to be connected in parallel if the primary windings are connected with the supply bus bars and both transformers secondary windings are connected with the load bus bars. So this will be called as parallel operation of the single phase transformers. Now consider this figure. These are the two transformers, transformer A and transformer B. Okay, both are connected in parallel. So the primary windings of the both transformer A and B are connected with supply bus bars. These are the supply bus bars. Another name of the supply bus bars here is the primary bus bars. Primary windings of the both transformer are connected with the supply bus bar or primary bus bars. And the secondary winding of the both transformer A and the B are connected with the secondary side bus bars or the load bus bars. Now when the transformer when they are connected in parallel, their terminals of same polarities are joined to the same bus bars. Okay. Now here the primary windings of the transformer are connected with the primary bus bars and secondary windings of the transformer are connected with the load bus bars. So transformer here both are connected in same polarities, and these polarities, additive and the subtractive polarities or same polarities or the opposite polarities, I have described in my previous lecture. You can find out the polarity testing of the transformer from the playlist of my YouTube channel. Now the transformer when they are connected in the same polarity, so this will be called as the subtractive polarity. In the subtractive polarity or the same polarity, the transformer or the electrical machines are under the less voltage stress. So the desirable polarity is the same polarity. So if there is a wrong connection, okay, there is a wrong connection, or there if the transformer when they are connected in opposite polarity, so result may be a dead short circuit or large short circuit current may flow formed by the secondaries of the transformer and may cause the harmful effects on the transformer unless if the transformers are protected by the with the help of the protective devices like circuit breaker or the fuses. These are the protective devices like circuit breakers. They are going to trip the machines, electrical machines, okay, and the fuses are also the your protective devices. Now if the transformer are connected in the wrong connections or in the additive polarity, result will be the additive induced EMFs, and your additive polarity is not considerable. So always we are consider the subtractive polarity or the same polarities in the parallel operation of the transformer for satisfactory operation. So what are the advantages? First advantages of the parallel operation of transformer is that firstly, if one transformer is failed, the continuity of the supply can be maintained through other transformer. Consider this figure. There are the two transformer A and the B. If transformer number A is failed, now continuity of the supply can be maintained through the B transformer. So this is also other advantage of the parallel operation of the transformer. Second, when the load on the substation becomes increased beyond the capacity of the transformer, another transformer can be added in parallel. So if the load is increased beyond the capacity of any electrical machine, so it will be may cause the harmful effect. So if the transformer, for example, A has the voltage has the apparent power rating is the 20 kVA. If the load is increased beyond its capacity of the apparent power, so we have to share the load or put the load on the transformer number B, okay, to maintain the continuity of operation and also reduce the burden on the transformer number A. So this is also the advantage of the parallel operation of the transformer. Okay. Number third, any transformer can be taken out for the circuit repairs, for the repairs, routine maintenance without interrupting supply to the consumer. If transformer A is shut down due to any reason, okay, now if we have to do the repair work or the routine maintenance on the transformer number A, so we can easily do the repair works and we can maintain the supply from the transformer number B. Or here this is the example, like we are considering the two transformer. If we are considering real power system, the infinite number of the transformer, they are connected in parallel. Okay. So this was the advantages of the parallel operation of the transformer. Now what are the essential conditions for the satisfactory parallel operation of the transformer when they are connected in parallel? So let's discuss. Number first is that the transformer should be properly connected with regard to their polarities. I have already described that both transformer should have the same polarity. If there isn't same polarity, so there will be no any harmful effect on the machines, on the transformer. If there isn't the same polarity and other transformer has the opposite polarity, so result will be a dead short circuit, or wrong connection may be a dead short circuit, and large short circuit current which will be formed from the secondaries of the transformer may lead to the damage of the transformer if unless protected by the circuit breakers or the fuses. So the essential condition for the parallel operation, satisfactory parallel operation, is that the transformers are connected according to their polarities. Both transformers have the same polarity. Okay. Second is that the voltage ratings and the ratios of the transformer should be same. The voltage ratings and the ratios of the transformer should be same. The voltage ratings means the primary side voltages or the secondary side voltages of the both transformers should have the same, and their voltage ratio means induced EMF should be the same. So if there is a voltage rating is the different, so result may cause the large circulating current will flow from the transformer, and due to this effect, large circulating current, the impedance on the both transformer or any transformer will be low. So this may be also the harmful effect on the transformer. So consider this condition is that voltage ratings and the ratios of the transformer should be same. Okay. Number third is that per unit impedance of the transformer should be same. The current of the transformers are proportional to that MVA ratings, apparent power, or KVA ratings. Okay. So impedance of the transformer of here is like the inversely proportional to the MVA ratings, and impedance of the both transformer, like transformer A and the B, should have the same. And fourth is that reactance X by R ratio or reactance over resistance ratios of the both transformer should be same. So this was the whole lecture regarding the parallel operation of the transformer, in which we have discussed the parallel operation. What is the parallel operation? Advantages of the parallel operation and the essential conditions for the satisfactory parallel operation of the transformers. I am again going to summarize the whole lecture. Is that what is the parallel operation? When two or more than two transformers connected in parallel so that their primaries of the both transformers are connected to the supply bus bars, and the secondaries of the both transformers are connected to the load bus bars or secondary bus bars, as shown as figure, as you can see on the board. So that will be called as the parallel operation of the transformer. And if there is a transformers are connected according to their same polarities, so what are the advantages? If one of the transformer is failed, we can put the other, we can maintain the supply, or continuity of the supply can be maintained with the help of the other transformer. And also we have also discussed the essential condition for satisfactory operation for this transformers. So this was the whole lecture regarding the parallel operation of transformers. I hope that you have enjoyed today's lecture. And at the last, please subscribe my YouTube channel Shoaib Dayo for more informative videos related to the electrical engineering area.